This video explains how to do part one of managing your time. Before we get started, it's important to acknowledge that there is an introductory part to managing your time, so be sure to check this out here. Time management is one of the most popular topics that we teach all semester. To prepare for that, you can open up the article here, 8 Benefits of Time Management, read about that. And then here's a brief preview of part one and part two of the assignments, along with an example study schedule. So let's start with managing your time part one. Here is the assignment link. So this assignment is completed in the following steps, and be sure to finish all steps before submitting. You can expect this assignment to take you about an hour or maybe more, depending on your level of focus, and it has 4 parts. So the first part, we're going to create a study schedule. In the second part, we're going to prioritize our tasks. In the third part, we're going to address our procrastination habits. And in step 4, we'll do a reflection, which is the part of the assignment. So let's go to step 1. So in step 1, you're going to watch the following video and take notes. That video will pop up here. This is your study schedule. This is very important. You're going to submit this along with your journal entry. So here's how you open it. It is a Word document. Make sure that if you have the Enable Editing button ribbon up here, you hit Enable Editing. And here you go. So this is where you're going to create your study schedule. And so you're gathering the information that you've watched from the videos and the notes that you've taken, and the formula that suggests that you should be spending a 3-to-1 ratio of credit hours studying. Now you're ready to create your study schedule. Next, you'll prioritize your tasks by watching the short YouTube video, The 4 Quadrants of Time Management. And when you do that, after you do that, you will return to your study schedule and prioritize your tasks over here on the right-hand side. So here's your study schedule, and here's where you're prioritizing your tasks. Okay, so step 3 is another video that you can watch and take notes on. It's about our favorite topic, procrastination. And so again, you'll watch this video and take notes. And my recommendation always is to either take notes on a piece of paper, or you can open up a Word document and type your notes as you watch the video. Okay, next to step 4. So after watching the 3 linked videos and creating your study schedule, respond to the following prompts. So here's how you do that. You click on the assignment link, and you will see the directions here again. Before you create a thread, I always advise copying the questions to post in your thread so that you don't have to keep going back in and out. The title, I always put my name. And there are the questions. And so you can either answer those questions right after the question mark, or you can simply hit enter and start answering the questions there. So however you would like to do that is fine. Once you're done with your responses, just hit post entry and make sure that you attach your study schedule first. So you'll hit browse for a local file. If that's your study schedule, you'll double click and then you'll hit post entry. So your part 1 assignment will include your responses to the 7 questions along with your completed study schedule. Let me know if you have any questions.